ako sanay na...
Oh!
Kasabay daw.
Kasabay daw. We have our lovers here, just like you guys.
Lovers?
Please, Kira and Josh. Please,
Wala ba kami kasama? Because Cali is the city of love.
Yeah.
Same as Iloilo.
Yes.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Hello.
Monsieur. Je m'appelle Kira.
And I'm Josh, but yeah, from France. I'm from the UK.
Alright.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Josh, by the way.
Are you
Hello.
two
Nice to
lovers?
meet you. Hiya.
Ay!
You could call us that. Really? Eme lang po. Really? Titigan nga kayo, patingin nga. Titigan lang. Walang mali siya. Walang mali siya.
You guys wanna join us?
Titigan pa siya.
Oh, tititigan ba?
Titigan.
Alright.
Game lagi. Yun na, parang dati nila.
Yes, it's airtime.
Airtime. How is the food? Is it to your liking? Super sarap. I'll give it a 4.5 over 5.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
The meat, perfect. Tofu, perfect. The spiciness, perfect. Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
I like the fire.
What?
Because it's made with love.
Yeah. Main ingredient, love.
And at this juncture, of course, we don't want to offer you just food, but also talent.
Oh, I love it.
We have a live band here, fresh from the city of